Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how easy it is to switch to dark mode in LibreOffice version 25 and up. In the main toolbar, go to Tools, Options and then Appearance. Open LibreOffice Themes and select Dark. Press OK. LibreOffice will prompt you to restart to see the changes. Open one of the apps, Writer, Calc, etc. and check the result. This procedure will work all the time. You can try to make the change in the app, but after resetting, LibreOffice will most likely return to its opening screen. Actually, you are done now, though you can still change the document background if you wish. For this, open the app, go to Tools, Options, then Appearance, open the LibreOffice Themes menu, and uncheck Use White Document Background. Go to Customizations and select Document Background if it has not been selected yet. Choose your color and press OK. You can see the result only on the screen. It will not reflect on a PDF or printout. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.